one on you, Steve. A lot of people behind you, right? But I show you the Picardo and Leiden's the only person stupid enough to go where he's going. Took ages for it to load in then. I'm running around on my roof for ages. I hope that's something they've fixed in the update. They have meant to improve level stream, but it's just whether it works or not, innit? Well, that's it, innit? The buildings will all load in perfect, but there'll be no loot then for 5 minutes, and you'll be running around trying to twat each other. But there'll be no buildings. It was something stupid, wasn't it? Right, I've got a submachine gun suppressor for someone if they decide they need one, and I've also got a cheek pad if somebody needs one of those. Or a mini scar. Keep it simple. To be fair, mate, I had an M4 that last game, and what I was trying to do is not auto spray and do like, you know, like 5-shot bursts, and it wasn't as bad as I remembered. I didn't even have the tactical stock on it. I had to get it so late on in game. Wasn't too bad, to be fair. Yeah. Especially me, because apparently I'm the nicest eater alive down the mic. Stop making the noise that you say that I make, even though I don't. Steve's just like, right, yeah, no. Yeah, we have to go towards right, don't we? Really? Are you doing even better than me? We'll all meet Vipe at Vipe's place before we move on. Holy shit! You know, we laugh at Leiden for looking in these little sheds, Steve. I just looked in this shed on the way up to Vipe and there's a 3-bag and an AK. Yeah, but when you went in, there was a fucking pistol extended mag, so shut up. Hello, Viper. Hey, do you want any of this shite? Are there like holographics in this town, Vibe, that you didn't need? No, I didn't. Oh, I mean, the eyesight's on the Scar ain't terrible anyway. Any one that I'm bothered about. Ugh, look at the state of it. All chrome in my face. It's horrible. Is any of the shit scopes? If not, I'm not bothered. I think so. But I mean, where they're going to be at your town, it's like... They could be at the motel. It was close enough for that, wasn't it? Should hype! See, this is a classic Leiden shit. Mm-hmm. Oh shit. That was weird. For some reason, that bike sounded like it were in front of me. Oh, weird. Do helmet in here if anybody's in need of one of those. In the balcony on the side I went in. Hey. If you want a cheek pad Leiden, there's one in here as well somewhere. If you didn't pick up the one I dumped in the little shed earlier. Oh, please tell me there's some fucking scopes, red dots, or holographs or something in here. See, there's an AK in here. Don't know if you need the ammo. It's in the long building somewhere, mate. I can't fucking remember. Guys ready to go to the next place. That is not my favourite, you liar. My least favourite. Hey, I'll have some fives. I just need a fucking scope, man. Nice. What, we're going up the road to that big complex? Yeah, yeah. I'll wait for these guys because I don't want to get there fucking early and there's a team though. Was that necessary? Go, man! We're quicker than you. I don't want to get there early and get killed. Another successful trip. How are we all doing for first aids and shit like that? There's Mirado coming up the hill behind us. Yep, engaging as soon as it crests the hill. Definitely coming in. Or is it reconsidered? Oh, it did reconsider. Oh, it definitely stopped. Has it stopped at them conks, has it? Alright. Shit himself that we were going to get headshotted, did he? I'll come get that. One. Has anybody found a site yet? What, you've got a site, Steve? I don't need a long range sight, any sight. Fuck's sake. It's gonna be fucking me shooting light in a minute. Actually, go. So I reckon we're just on our fucking bikes and leave. There's no point sitting here dilly-dallying. Get to the bikes then. Get to the bikes. Yeah. Alright, let's get to the bikes. Right, somewhere up in ring. Right, go on, vibe. Follow the main road north at Minas. Where the fuck have you gone? Accent shared. Fair, I'm surprised we didn't take damage today, hitting that tyre wall at that speed. Quite lucky. Oh man. There's an AK in here for AK ammo if people need that kind of shit. Thank fuck. It's ridiculous though, isn't it? How much we've looted and we've not even got fucking shit like red dots. It just makes when getting in a fight so much fucking harder. Do you guys want to stay or shall we go further north to the next town? It's like this. I reckon we go to the next town. You know the one that's on the left vibe that we go to with the little church, the little chapel? That one. One lead vehicle, go, go, go! There's another similar shed to put the cars in. Both bikes, but you get the idea. Missed it again. I'm not in the ring now either, but we can always leave. There or something. I'm not really sure I need anything now other than pain pills and shit. Just got, what I got is 2 energy drinks. Not too bad. Realistically, what we need to do is kill an enemy team really easily without anybody going down, so we can steal all their shit. That'd be the dream. Right, back to the bikes. I've backed up the next town vibe. Oh, Vibes going off-road in that thing. Brave. Back to the bike, back to the bike. Can't influence it. We have arrived. We stopped on the hill to try and help you, but they were a bit further than we thought. What kind of tree are we talking? Ah, I see the tree. There's a fresh 2 helmet in here if anybody needs one. We're not too bad for now, because he's going to have to cross that road at some point, either west or east, so... What a crazy fuck. Oh, I hit his pan. I killed one. I got him when he was fucking healing. think I'm shooting a dead body at the top now. I can't tell. Oh, did you get him? Nice. I've killed a guy somewhere. I think the guy... Yeah, Steve got him. Oh yeah, what is that smoke? Yeah, my guy went down dead, but I think he was part of a different team, to be fair. Yeah, I killed the guy in the other team. I think we're golden. I honestly think we're golden. I think he threw that before he died. They take a while to start, don't they? And we need to get going, really, otherwise we're not going to get up this hill. Actually. Yeah, let's just... I wouldn't lie, then. Ring over loot. Positioning's more important. Yeah, I couldn't find it, mate. Right, we're only going right up the hill, so... We'll walk the rest of the way. Thought we'd walk the rest of the way in case there's people already occupying. Oh, Leiden, look, there's a shed there, mate. I found an AK in my last one. Yeah, same. I've only got 2 boosts. Been quite poor the loot this game, hasn't it? But I don't know about you guys. I mean, my weapons are fine, but everything else is shit. There's a holographic and a red dot in here if anybody else is looking for sights. You say you're dropping pins, Steve? Yeah. Nice. Thank you. Yeah, everybody follow Vipe. Follow the Viper. Viper. Follow the Viper. I try my best. Keeps up morale. Is he over somewhere, isn't it? Gonna push up to that shed and see if there's any 7s in it for Leiden. I was taking the piss, but I am actually checking. Leiden, there's a Winchester in here for you, mate. Oh, that's close. That's a guy with a mutant. Right, I see a squad. They're on the rock face. We all need to start shooting at once here, otherwise we're not going to be able to do this. Right, I'm... Shit, where have they gone? Oh, there's a guy lid down. I'm ready to take. Are you ready to take? Taking. Fuck. Left it too long. One's dead. Oh, tree over to the left, 110. I think they're healing them. Just gonna quickly... Right, move towards the ring, boys. I'll grab any meds that's on this arsehole. Right, this guy has a few meds, so I'll split them out when we get there. He's got loads of 5s as well. Anybody needs 5s? And now I need to move because I'm getting shot at again. Another one's dead. I'm dead. Towards the shed. I'm in cover. If one of you can get me. Leiden, you need to get catching up here, mate. Didn't even realise you got shot, but well done. Don't forget the guys that were at the top of the hill, boys. Yeah, they're coming now. Yeah, they're at this rock here. I Molotov'd him. I need a heal again. Shitting hell. Got shot by someone. Good shooting, bro. We going towards... I reckon we move down this hill towards the ring here. Oh, there's another team on the corner of the hill. He's down. There's guys running across the top of the other fucking... There's another one over there somewhere. Over 265, he's on the corner of the fucking big mountain. I need to do a fucking booster or something before I start moving. See the random Molotov over there, Leiden even. Ah, nice. My guy's just gone dead, he must have been part of the same squad. Good shit, good shit. My gun loaded here, yes it is. Yeah, I can fucking hear them everywhere. It's fucking scary. Oh, they're down at the rock? Oh shit. Right, we need to get in this trough here. I wish we'd stop running into each other, it's really fun. Smoke's out. Has anybody got frags? Because they've got the fucking ring on us. Oh, they're getting fucked from the right though, which is fun. Guys, push into the ring, get position if you can. Right, there's two guys just right in front of me. They've just both got killed by a guy with an AUG. Ain't good. Behind the rock. Good shit. Is someone healing? I'm trying to edge them off here. You get them, Vipe. I'm trying to like make sure they won't fucking rush us. Yeah, he's throwing a Molotov. Watch out. Heal quick, boys. Having a fucking hit. Just, I need to listen. Just give me a sec, man. Right, we all up on the ground now. Right, I'm doing a turn. Someone else cover. Right, there's one at the fucking Gondor tree, Vipe, and the other one's gone down into the trough where I imagine the ring is at this point. Someone see if there's any grenades on these bods. 2 grenades, awesome, that's it. Nice. Woo! 2 in a row. Yeah, I was on 4 in the end, I think. Yeah. Yeah, you were, mate. You got some well good shots there. Sometimes I was thinking, oh shit, he's shooting me, and then all of a sudden, lied at it and just ping up in top right corner.